Welcome for reaching this video on Executable Smart City Solution. Presentation covers information on Smart City Initiative by Indian Government, a review of conventional solutions available in the market, information on Google Street View based solution and its advantages, mobile and web based application called Citizen Dictum, benefits of the solution to the central and city administration, and mapping of the solution with respect to smart city guidelines. Smart city is a buzzword in India. Government is releasing new schemes, fundings are announced, cities are being shortlisted, consultants are being appointed, media is being sensitized, citizens are optimistic. However, there is a basic question: what is smart city? Some says it is all about smart city administration, citizen engagement, better infrastructure, operational efficiency, interactive technology rather than monoline processes, effective utilization of resources, information at ease, quality of life, livelihood, efficiency, transportation, etc. All these are jargons of heavy words. Success lies in actual execution of this noble idea. Present situation in the market is like everybody talks about smart city solution. Nobody really knows how to do it. Everybody presumes everybody else doing it, so everyone claims they are doing it. However, central administration has defined a prime goal for this project. Those are providing smart administration, transparency in operation, cost-effective utilization of resources, and citizen engagement. Globally, smart city concept works on three prime pillars. First, collection of data and conversion into information. Circulate information amongst the department for higher operational efficiency. Analyze information to take well-informed, efficient decisions. In India, we have a huge challenge in collecting real-world city data, which may define a result of complete smart city project. Administration, which collects proper revenue by keeping leakages low, can extend the best services to citizens. In India, prime income for any city administration comes from property tax and local body tax, followed by water tax and octroi. And some portion of revenue is contributed by sewerage, education, fire, street, and vehicle taxes. During this presentation, we would focus upon enhancement of property tax and local body tax. Let us review the present market solution for property tax enhancement. Most of the urban local bodies have digitized their urban record in MIS format. Some of them have developed web-based application for online property tax payment, review, tax calculation, and self-assessment for citizens. Lot of urban local bodies have deployed a software application to evaluate and validate building permission based on development planning rules. Let us review an example. If you query selected address on a Google map, you may get this output. Let us assume you are a city administrator and your field surveyor vendor created this map after field survey and delivered it to you for your acceptance. Medium-sized city administration is supposed to validate more than 100,000 records. If you take 10% sampling, then also it is a big task. To perform a data validation, we can check if all building information has been captured or not. Building summary data can be attached to the building polygons. From map, we get a feeling that all buildings are of around same size and type. Nowadays, we can attach geotag images in GIS for visual reference. If you note that visual data becomes clumsy for review and building photos may or may not give clarity on the height of the building. Even building profile is not clearly visible. Now this sample map represents cluster of building surrounded the open ground in front of viewer. However, when we integrate it with 360-degree street view data, you can see there is a building in place of open ground. You can also review profile and present condition of building with clarity on its height. One building looks like 40-story square tower. However, if you view it from a different angle, you get to see a staggered tower instead of square one. You can review near vicinity area which appears to be open and clear in CAD map. So this was original map, and after reviewing street view data, we can add missing building with its details. Thus, we can validate vendor data without visiting actual field location. It will also help to validate ground realities during preparation of futuristic DP map, that is development plan map for a city, and reduce possibility of error or mismatch with the present ground realities. Best advantage of this solution is creation of data tag on visual image and integration of summary information of property to give clarity on number of flats, type of use, and revenue status. We can also attach detailed record of a building including data of each and every flat like area, ownership, number of floors, type, etc. After visual assessment, we can mark building with different color tags and their type of deviation and validation status. Thus, we can undertake survey of deviated properties first to assure maximum revenue enhancement in minimum time. Street view data also captures all banners and posters of those business run from residential properties without converting into commercial one. In this image, we can review data with a timestamp of 2011 for an urban area. Let us focus on a shop called Bhagwan Collection. It also displays tag which indicates that recent data dated 2016 is also available. If we click, it opens recent data with the tag stating historical data of 2011 is available and vice versa. We can see that Bhagwan shop has changed to Sabhyata in 2016, and the adjacent shops also have undergone some changes. Thus, without recapturing complete street view data, we can update the changed field reality. In this example, we can see street view data with the timestamp of 2012. Outside McDonald's shop, there is a banner. If we click on the red tag for a recent data, we can see recently the banner has changed to Oh My Dog with the address as 107 above McDonald. So commercial setup 107, which is on G+1 floor and is not visible from any side of the building, can be noted for deviation verification. We can compare 360-degree street view data with two different timestamps, say from past and recent. Visual information gives much more clarity than documented report with 1000 words. In this image, we can clearly see property below tree cover. This data will help us to derive near reality approximation while creating a base map from satellite image for a city with substantial tree cover. In typical GIS, we get this kind of visualization with all buildings are depicted with polygons having unit identification number. Buildings are marked with a different color tag. It's three windows of 360-degree street view data, GIS or map data, and urban record or MIS data. Visual buildings display color tags. We can click on the tag and it displays a summary of record as well as a detailed urban record. So we can review data of all flats and compare it with recent visual information on a web-based application. Query Builder allows random access selection of any building we desire for query. In short, 360-degree street view data can enhance data verification and acceptance process with system support responsibility. Citizen engagement is a big challenge worldwide. Leading professor from UK, who is also entrepreneur, technocrat and research professional, Professor Mishcha Dollar, conducted public survey on public survey to find why citizens doesn't communicate with city administration. During this survey, out of 400 citizens, only 3 stop by to respond. The main reason for citizen apathy is they do not have time. In India, apart from time, there are other prominent reasons, like citizens don't want to waste their time and energy in locating ward office, personally visit there, shuttle from pillar to post to get appropriate complaint form, fill it up, find out a window to submit the form. He is rest assured to receive no response in case he does not maintain regular follow-up. All this because we do not have efficient citizen feedback mechanism. Only solution is to go electronic method, that is social media based solution. Mobile based application called Citizen Dictum has incredible potential to enhance citizens' response. Let us take real life example. Suppose you are out for shopping while you notice that pure water is seeping out of paver block on the street. You can see landmark nearby as local bus stop and shopping mall facade. Now, if you want to register a complaint, what you need to do is use your mobile and open application called Citizen Dictum. It will give you option to select a department in city administration to share information. You select water and hydraulic engineering department. It will ask you to capture image of the site. It will ask you if you want to share any noting. You update as clear water is seeping from paver block portion of the road, and then it will ask you to send it. You are done in a minute. At the department, it opens the base map, it creates the event geotag, it uploads a geotag image at the right location, it displays citizen note, and most important, it shares sender's detail with timestamp. In this way, you can share maximum clarity with the city administration in minimum time and money. Same application can be used to point out the deviation in the properties for property tax enhancement. Example shows commercial setup hotel extend it on first floor, also extension of a hotel in open terrace with a partial closure. It shows the commercial activity extended on G+1 and G+2 floor. This image shows multiple telecom towers have come up within 6 months. It shows their location, nature and type. Information to garden department as tree has fallen on the street. It shows size of the tree, nature and present damage on the street. Now, new holding has come up next to the existing one. It looks unofficial. Nowadays, Supreme Court and High Court are very particular about city holdings. This information can be shared with the encroachment department on expansion of existing slum and new slum is in its making. Timely information and action may save city. However, most of the time the defaulters are very strong and aggressive, having money, muscle and political power. So in some cases it may not be suitable to share sender's detail. To safeguard citizens, we can have a similar application on web. Imagine you are traveling on the street and you come across this surface undulation or roughness. You like to take a photograph of it. You can visit a web application having a base map and 360-degree street view data integrated with it. It helps you to find out the exact location where you took a photograph. Please note that visual data is captured in 2011, but no worries. You can see an additional button on the left side of visual window. Go there, click to enable and go to the location of the site where you want to add a photo. You can see that an event geotag get created in a visual as well as a GIS map data, and it pops up feedback form. Fill it up as required and then it would ask you to upload image. Your uploaded image appears with the time and date of upload. Once city administration takes corrective action, they can also upload image after repair and maintenance. This assures acknowledgement to the citizen and confirms effect of citizen feedback with online visual mechanism. Some event can be better explained with video rather than images. In this example, where city administration gave digging permission to lay utility network, contractor completed the work successfully, but in reality he created road undulation and speed breaker for all vehicles. These kind of complaints are very difficult to register without visual data. If you analyze city administration, it can be divided into three levels: top management, middle management, and execution administration. Top administration takes decision on strategies, funding, and approval. Middle management deals with project supervision, reporting, and project status monitoring. Execution administration is very closely connected with actual execution, ground realities, and vendors. They create lot of project documents like work order, project report, audit report, review, corrections, QC, penalty clause, data acceptance, and others. However, these documents are maintained in hard copy file which may be away from the top management and middle management. This way it creates a virtual wall between the key decision makers and real life information which hampers the administration efficiency. This is a newspaper article from recent past where Commissioner of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai personally checked the ground realities and conditions before cancelling a road repair contract worth 80 million rupees. However, he cannot do that for all projects. Here we can see visual road condition as per data captured in 2012. Kindly note that data is dynamic in nature. Using citizen dictum application by field officer of a road department can upload present road conditions online. It not only shows the nature of present road condition but also gives information on who conducted the road review, location, and timestamp. So, citizen dictum application can be used to review all city administration outbound infrastructure projects. Let us review another infrastructure project of footpath leveling. On this base map, we can see the location and extent of the project. Summary of the project can be indicated with a blue geotag. Umber geotag indicates documentation and information of project detail, contractor detail, execution detail, and vendor communication. Red geotag indicates city administration document like tender document, execution report, project deliverables, and most important, project review, audit, and observation. But all this information is locked in hard copy file which may be vulnerable. Let us see how citizen dictum type solution can add value. This is pre-project condition. This is first review, second review, third review, fourth review, fifth review, and finalization status. Most important are the project observations. Image shows high tension line which was passing below footpath has been embedded in new footpath. The power line which was embedded in old footpath got exposed on the surface after reconstruction. Two drainage connections which does not appear as per city standard are visible from adjacent property. If we display this observation using visual web application, then it becomes very easy for other departments to understand correct ground reality, locate the right spot of event, and take required action. Kindly note that there are certain ground realities one has to capture during project execution only and effectively share this information amongst the other departments. Otherwise, once project is completed, city administration may have to spend hard-earned money of citizens to understand the buried realities. Let me talk about tangential advantage for other city administration department. Road department is the second best beneficiary of visual 360-degree data. We can capture and visually validate road furniture like road median, first carriage width, second carriage width of concrete, third one of paver block, presence of footpath, cornerstones and lot other road features. This dedicated road information application shows road features with more realistic symbology. Integration with 360-degree visual data allows online validation. We can see this tree, road signal and manholes. We can navigate to the other side of the road using visual data and review the present status, surrounding conditions and nature of manhole without actually visiting the site. We can review in 360-degree and can form various layers of features like building footprint, street, compound wall, drainage, parcel boundaries, trees and other utility layer. It can be used for slum information management and review the services provided for slum dwellers. Very handy for street light information management system, especially when megacities are adopting LED street lights with revenue sharing model. We can maintain information of each and every light bulb with ability to provide quick maintenance. For sell tax department, it gives much needed clarity on point of business and point of residence of the trader, type of business and extent and expansion. This application has a potential to get maximum traders under TaxNet by mapping all unassessed, underassessed and shifted business visually with different tags. You can validate traders' details sitting in office. How to validate if some businessman files income tax return of rupees 1 million per annum? This solution can facilitate the validation without site visit. Integrate his point of trade information. Check if business is set up in a low profile area or high profile area, or he has got multiple outlets. Integrate his point of residence and check whether he stays in a moderate area or in a lavish residency. Integrate a ready reckoner rate for his residential area and check out what is the rate per square feet rent charge in that, whether it is 9,000 rupees or 35,000 rupees. Compare these rates with the declared income. This information can help you to enhance the TaxNet of income tax department. When fire and police department get distress call, they have to send officers well versed with the local dynamics. At command and control center, you can only see geotag popping up on GIS map. However, 360-degree data can help decision makers to give a clear idea how the area look like, whether it is a sparse area or it is the congested one or it is the secluded or isolated one. Quality of service to citizens can be improved by extending timely response. In cities, tree census data is being delivered in GIS format having similar looking dots as representation of trees. Information on various parameters like type of tree, height, spread, girth dimension, tree coverage, greenery index and lot other parameters are submitted in the report format. 360-degree data allows you to validate that data sitting in your office and review the location and profile of the tree. This information would help for preventive maintenance and other activities. Effective holding management solution can maintain and validate the holding data on size, type, location, visibility, license fee status, their performance and revenue earned. Also to locate unauthorized under-assessed holding for revenue enhancement can be done with this. It can be used for hawker management also. Water and sewer utility data can be integrated with supersurface data and can validate with utility network data. It can be handy to map a telecom tower data. Nowadays, telecom company takes permission for few antennas. However, they may install more. The submitted equipment specification may differ with that installed one. This can be checked with 360-degree data. This can prove to be interesting application to precaution citizens interested in buying properties from fraud dealers. This image shows a location of a building which has received approval from city administration for construction. It also shows a photograph of proposed building. However, more than 80% Indian citizens do not understand map data. Using 360-degree data, buyer can visit a real-life location and also review the property vicinity and locality. Administration can upload approved plan in CAD format with approved parameters. This building is approved for 12-story structure. So, if property dealer is trying to sell you flat on 14th floor at substantially low rate, citizens would get alerted, and this can save their hard-earned money. One may get this information from city administration if he has a deep connections and intelligence and influence. The same application can be used as a project monitoring tool to supervise construction of building on regular basis. It also helps to keep check on officer who approved the plan and the officer who is supervising the construction. Generally, this information is captured by administration and kept in a hard copy format which can get easily vanish or untraceable. Public utility data can be enhanced by 360-degree data. For example, review the mobile application which shows the shortest path to the closest utility. Picture may look like this or this. However, actual 360-degree view can help you to take a decision to proceed after reviewing the recent condition of a toilet and approach path. This may help citizens to take well-informed last mile decision. For the health department, it can use to map location of official and unofficial, authorized or unauthorized doctors and their type like general practitioner, specialist, allopathic, Ayurvedic, Unani, location of blood bank, location of hospital, their profile, their capacity and services offered. For example, in case of emergency, you may find hospital in vicinity of your location through mobile application. Before visiting there, you may like to review its capacity. This one looks to be moderate and you may want to select another one. This one looks bigger and established. Even you can review on approach road for the hospital before starting the journey. So what are the benefits of this solution? It can help you in 28 city administration applications, right from property to health. It can give lot of essential information to citizens. It can save lot of money and energy for both city administration and citizen. Let us see how this solution is mapped with Indian Smart City Guidelines. Referring to the Smart City Reference and Guideline document, administration has mentioned their emphasis on good governance, especially e-governance and citizen participation. Under Smart City features, you may find mention of focus on online services to bring about accountability, operational transparency, and online monitoring of programs. In the strategy section, directive has been given on application and smart solutions that would involve use of technology, information and data to make infrastructure and services better. Atal Mission of Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation Scheme also mentions introduction of smart feature and capacity building. To sum up, we have conventional solution consist of digital MIS record and GIS map. Advanced solution is addition of Google Street View type data and online visual application on web and mobile for citizen interface. It has distinct advantages. Results are quick. Typically it takes a half time compared to normal project execution. high and quick return on investment. It is a proven method in India, brings transparency in administration, protects honest officers from dark side powers. Web-based application allow multi-level, multi-location information sharing, saves time and money for administration and citizens. Dataset can be used by multiple departments to support online validation. Value it brings to the central administration are performance of all projects can be remotely reviewed. It brings much talked transparency in administration. Data can be used in future as a reference and historical proof. Solution is in sync with government-led guideline. Improves service mechanism from administration to citizens. Prime benefit of the city administration are it assures minimum 25% revenue enhancement, quick and online validation of lot of city urban records becomes possible, assures better performance with limited manpower, improves accuracy of records, responsibilities can be well defined and efficiently monitored, very easy to use solution, and process is IT savvy and can be easily outsourced so mainstream city officers are not overburdened. For city officers and field in charge, it gives security and protection from dark side forces of defaulters, helps to enhance performance by transparent operation, reduces workload of the officer performing mundane operation. This advanced solution can support 28 various activities for smart city administration. With this, I come to end of the presentation. I look forward to hearing from you to know about your opinion, suggestions and review. Please feel free to contact me in case you need to know more about this solution. Sincerely thank you for investing your time and energies to review this presentation. Namaskaram.